Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Amio with the wife Amy.
Hello.
And today we got our Rookie Explosion Box, Volume 34 by Filmington. So you know what we're going to ask you. We're going to want to know if you get it and if you get anything good in there. So let's see what we can get. It's been a while since we've made a video, a real long time.
Want me to film it?
Yep, go ahead. You can start that. I'll show everybody what's going on here. Sorry about that, guys. Just been really busy, but we are okay and everything. I know some people reached out to us. Just busy, busy, busy. Hopefully with winter starting to approach here, we can get up some more videos here. Okay, so we're getting a 2013 Topps Update, 14 Bowman Draft, 15 Series 2, 19 Heritage Minor League, 2019 Topps Update, 2020 Topps Chrome, 2020 Heritage High Number, 2020 Series 1, and 21 Bowman Chrome. They're really hard to get a hold of, but there's the info if you want to give it a shot. All right, what do we got? We got 93 Select. All right, so here's what we got. We'll do them in the way they are. So here, open that up. And we got a bonus pack. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got a bonus pack. Yeah.
All right.
So let's see what we can get out of the bonus pack. See if we get anybody good here. So Shannon Stewart. Alan Trammell. Haven't ripped a pack of this in quite a while. It's Chris Sabo. There's Ozzie Smith. The Wizard. Robin Ventura. Hal Morris. There you go. Couple decent cards in that one. All right, so here's the 13 update series. What are we looking for? Arenado, Yelich, and Cole. We got a James Shields. Diduno. Oh, there you go. Arenado. And look at this. A Rendon rookie debut right behind it. This is starting out very nice. Look how young he looks. We'll put that up even though it's a debut. Big Edwin. That's pretty cool. Arcia. Delman Young. Ben Zobrist. Jason Grilly. And a Cliff Lee. So that was very nice to start off with. Yeah. We don't have that Arenado rookie, so no, so that's perfect. All right, next 14 Bowman Draft. We're looking for Devers, Jimenez, Turner, Chris Bryant, Chapman, Verdugo, Schwarber, and Flaherty. So we're looking for a bunch of guys in here.
This one doesn't want to open.
Doesn't want to open?
Mm-hmm.
You need help? Give you a chainsaw?
Watch the corners.
Yeah, just watch the corners, yeah. Open it however it can come out of there.
Yeah, it's already, it's got a...
Oh yeah, it's a little
dinged up on that side.
One side is dinged up here.
Yeah, I don't want to mess with it.
Yeah. Sorry guys, we got a
little issue here.
Little issue here, but I think we got it now. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. This is what she was talking about. I don't know if you guys can see it. These the two bottom cards here. So it's a Mike Pappy first. We got a Josh Bell. That's pretty nice. Here's a Clint Frazier Chrome. At least those are in good shape, right?
Yeah.
That's all you can hope for, right? What do you got here? Jacoby Jones. We got a Casey Soltis. Or Saltis, I don't know. Oliver. And a Travis. So there you go. I mean, we did pick up a Clint Frazier and a Josh Bell. Yeah. They're not on there. No. We can still put them up. All right, Series 2, 2015. Chris Bryant. That's who we're looking for. That's a nice Arenado, too. Looks pretty well centered and everything. It's a very sharp card. Nice card. We'll have to send that in. We got Ghosts. Fold. David Freese. Herrera. We got a John Lackey. Is that Edgar?
Yeah.
Edgar Martinez. That's pretty cool insert. Got a Kevin Hart. It's not a bad card to get either. It's Future Stars, Nick Castellanos. No, he's not on there, but it's still not a bad card. Loop. We'll take a Verlander. That's a nice card, too. And that's it. Very nice. So far, so good. I'm happy already just with the Arenado. All right, the rest is all bonus. Minor League. Heritage Minor League 2019. Wander Franco, Rodriguez, Robert Kelenic, and India. Oh, there's a Joe Odell. I know he's not in there, but that's still a nice card. Stolen base leaders. Kowar. There's a Bobby Dalbec on that one for the RBI leaders. Jesus Sanchez. That's not too bad. Brock Burke. Mitchell White. And Bobby Dalbec. No, he's not on there, but it's still a nice card. Very nice card. All right, cool. 2019 update. Tatis, Guerrero, Riley, and Brendan Rodgers. Maybe we can get another Tatis or Guerrero. Take anybody. We got a Devin Smeltzer. Sanchez. Harold Ramirez. Alonso. There you go, Trout and Ohtani. I think that's Fletcher, maybe. We got a Jake Knoll and Burke. James Burke. There you go.
Nice. Excellent.
So Vladdy rookie, 84 design. Turned out to be a really, really good box, huh? Austin Allen. Justin Bohr. Here's an Acuna All-Star game. Alex Bregman, All-Star game. Matthew Beatty. Barraclough. And Jonathan Scope. So very nice. Did pick up a nice Vladdy, though. All right. Here's our Topps Chrome 2020. Looking for Lubob, Bo Bichette, Alvarez, and a Rosarina. Got a couple cards to do it in. Let's see what we could do. Savali rookie. There's a Max Scherzer. We got a Prism of McCullers. And a Dansby Swanson. All right, next up, 2020. Heritage High Number. Looking for Lubob. 2 packs left to go. Edwin Rios, rookie. Heineman. Corey Kluber. Corey Dickerson. Now and then Ohtani. That's pretty cool. We got a Greg Bird. We got a Zavala rookie. That's pretty cool. Armstrong and Brandon Drury. So no Lubob. 2020 Series 1. Bichette, Alvarez, and a Rosarina. And then we'll get into this Bowman pack. Got 5 cards in there. Bobby Bradley. Rookie. Heaney. There's an AJ Puck rookie. It's not too bad. Alcantara. Green. Martinez. Greerchuk. Carson Kelly. Kevin Biggio, Future Stars. Grandal. Tyler Naquin. Giolito. Schwarber. And Nerese. Alrighty. Last pack. Like I said, I'm already very happy with this. What we got here. Alright, 21. Chrome. Hernandez. Diaz. Who's that guy? I don't know him. Colmenares. Presidio. Rodriguez. Here, you guys look at it. I don't know these guys very well. Acosta and Vera. So these are the guys we're looking for right here. All right, leave that out because I don't know. Unless you see. Yeah. Okay, we got an Acuna. That's a nice card. Taylor Trammell. Rookie. There's a Bobby Witt Jr. Summer Camp. That's pretty cool. That's a nice card. Nick Yorkie. York. Or York, yeah. And Hunter Green. So not bad guys inside the pack. Yeah. There we go. All right, guys. Hopefully we'll be doing some more videos soon. And sorry about that. Just got too busy. But I hope you enjoyed what we got today. I enjoyed it. And feels good to make a video again. All right, guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Comment below. Subscribe if you're not. And until next time, keep collecting. Me and the wife are out. Later.